honeys, welcome back to another lit week here on my channel. Okay, so today we are going to be getting into this Nicki Minaj's hairstylist inspired look, also Cliff Vermeer inspired look. I mean, like, if you don't know who Nicki Minaj hairstylist is, his name is Arrogant Tay on Instagram. And honey, he slays hair. Honestly, like, he's my hair inspiration. Also, Cliff Vermeer, I've been following him on Instagram for years. And they always slay hair. So today's video is going to be comparing two crimp irons that I bought. I didn't spend no more than $30 on each one. This one I got from Walmart. So before I get into this video, I need you guys to go ahead and like, give it a thumbs up, comment, and go ahead and subscribe. Maybe not even comment until the end of the video, whatever you gotta do. But even if you are here and you don't like the video, please give it a thumbs up anyway, because you're already here. You might as well go ahead and become one of my honeys, subscribe. And once you're done, go on my Instagram and spam Therealfatimab. Alright guys. And they always slay hair. So today's video is going to be comparing two crimp irons that I bought. I didn't spend no more than $30 on each one. This one I got from Walmart. This one I got from Amazon. I am going to be getting into the details about these and letting you guys know which one was the absolute best and which one I think works the best. Okay, I made a video the other day. On this video, pretty much I'm going to be inserting clips of my hair when I use this double ceramic Conair triple barrel waver. Okay, this one is super cute. I love the rose gold and white look. Honestly, this one was like, when I saw it, I already ordered this one, but when I saw this one, I had to get it because of how cute it is, honey. Okay, and this one, I was like, I don't really know how this one gonna work, but it had some really good reviews on Amazon, so I was like, let me try it. Both of them have a dial on them. This one has 30 heat settings, and it says define beachy waves, and this one says deep waves. So I was like not really sure which one to use, and this one says this one is the tourmaline ceramic coating for less damage and long-lasting shiny waves. And this one says instant heat up to 375 degrees, high heat with turbo boost, 30 heat settings. This one also has 30 heat settings. And when I saw this one, I was like, oh, this one is definitely going to be slaying. Like, I already know this is going to be the best one. Look at the color of it. It is going to be slaying. And this one, I was like, I don't know if this is going to work as well as the people say it do, but I'm going to give it a try. Okay, so which one did I like the best? This one. This is my hair today, and I used the crimp iron last night. The only thing I did was kind of like pluck the waves out, because this one gives you that, what are those curlers called that you put on the stove? If you're looking for those deep crimps, back in the day crimps, firm crimps, good crimps that look like they hard when you're done, this is the one for you. Like, you spray a little, I sprayed a little bit of hairspray on my hair before I crimped it, and I'm gonna tell you, honey, those crimps turn out to be fire. Okay, now this one gave me more of a soft wave, not really hold wave, kind of like, I don't know, wave. Like, it was good, but it just wasn't the look that I was going for, because I'm gonna make myself a wig and it's super long, and I wanted to see which one was gonna like be best for long waves, or which one was gonna be best. Let me try to like get y'all into this. I don't know if y'all can see it because I didn't really pluck the back out too much, so I'm gonna try to like give y'all like a do of what this one did, and I'll also insert clips of what the Conair, so we're gonna call them Conair and Revlon. Revlon was my absolute favorite. Like when these turned on, they instantly, like the heat, they instantly heated up. Like the smoke was just coming from, so I already knew that these were going to make a killing. Okay, and these, it took them a long time to get hot, even though I turned on the turbo. It took them a really long time to get hot, and the heat just wasn't sticking. And also my finger kept accidentally hitting the off button, so they kept turning off. Like that's the only thing that I didn't like. Now this has a on and off button that you slide up, and also what I liked about these is they had a lock on them. They have a lock on them, so when I would put the crimp on my hair, I would lock it, let it sit for a few seconds, and then take it off. Now these, you have to, it's like a curling iron, and basically it, you know, it closes on the hair. But this one, I'll be back. Let me go get them for y'all. Hold up. Okay, so these are the Revlon wavers, and honey, it has a lock on it, so as you're waving your hair or crimping your hair, you can lock it. This is the lock. You can lock it, and it will like hold onto your hair. As soon as I turned these bad boys on, they started smoking, so I'm like, oh yeah, these will be the ones. Like honestly, I love the wave that these gave me, even though I kind of like tweaked it and did something to them and made them like come, I mean, you know, I tweaked it and combed them out a little bit. I really like the wave that these gave me. These are if you're looking for a little bit more of a soft wave type of look. Like these are the ones that you should use, the Conair ones. But I was looking for that deep wave, pound pound. Yeah, so soft waves, deep waves. These are my absolute favorite. These are, I will be in the description box. I'll be putting, hopefully I tried to look for these online, I couldn't find them, but in the description box I will be putting the link to purchase these as well as these if I can find it, and you guys can decide. I'm gonna be inserting a video right here, so you guys can decide which waves you like best and which one you want to purchase. Honestly, the video that I post on this side is going to be the one I use for the Conair one, and as you can see, the Conair has like a little dial here you can turn up and down, and they have that turbo button. I honestly don't understand the difference between turbo and on because they work just the same. And this one you just kind of like turn on and off, and the light turns red on there, and you can just like lock and unlock. But baby, these things made a killing on my hair. I absolutely just love these, and these not so much. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be inserting the clips, and don't forget to, alright guys, so as you already know, on most of my videos lately I have been promoting my business. So if you guys are interested in getting a 2-piece sweater set, you can purchase this on glitterglamdolls.com, and it also comes in a pink color. This is perfect as a lounge set, or you can throw on some heels, girl, and wear this out to the club or out to dinner or out to lunch, honey. This is just like a perfect little cute little sweater outfit. And it's hot in Miami, but in some places spring is coming, honey, and this gives you that perfect might be cold, might be warm day type of outfit. But yeah guys, you can purchase this on glitterglamdolls.com. the link will also be in the bio, and the dress that you see me wearing in the videos that's popping up on the side is also from glitterglamdolls.com. My website has been doing great, guys. Go check it out.